One Search SBS is a bibliographic research service that allows you to retrieve books, journals, articles, e-books and digital objects owned by the Library of the Siena Library Service and made available either as open access or by subscription. These resources come from catalogs, archives, publisher platforms, databases. By entering even a single keyword in the search form, the results list can return physical resources such as books owned by the libraries or electronic resources such as articles, e-books and digital materials as images. On the home page, we find what we called links menu. New search that clears the screen and allows a new search. Databases includes both university subscribed and free databases. Guides and tutorials that offer manuals and videos to help explain how to use One Search. Ask the Library is the reference service provided by the librarians of the University of Siena. On the right side, we have the QR code that allows to copy the link. We have My Favorites that refers to saved search strategies and retrieved records, and the login. First of all, an important note. A login user on One Search SBS will permanently retain their research strategies and records. A non-logged-in user will lose the data once the session is closed. Login allows access to One Search. The authentication happens in three ways. Redo users use the surname and password provided during their registration at one of the library in the Siena Library Network, that is called REDOS, in Italian Rete Documentaria Senese. The University of Foreigners of Siena users log in using credential provided by the academic office. The University of Siena can use two ways. UNISI users, and I mean students, PhD students, researchers, teachers, technical administrative staff, log in via UNISI credentials. External users can use their ID number and the password assigned during the library registration. Once logged in, the user can change in the menu links the language from English to Italian and from Italian to English, can view loans, returns, booking requests, the saved strategies research and records saved, and can view the item saved and can view the search. In One Search SBS, there are two search modes. Simple search, that means that after entering one or more keywords, the search can be performed in all resources, books and journals, electronic resources, journals, finding aids, institutional repository, and REDOS. Once the search is launched, the search profile appears on the right side. Once the search is launched, the search profile appears. All resources searches everything in SBS. Books and journals search both print and electronic books and journals. Electronic resources focus on subscription-based and free electronic resources. Journals retrieves both print and electronic journals. Finding aid retrieve archival materials. The search profile institutional repository retrieves search output from professors or researchers of the University of Siena. REDOS retrieves materials from the Siena Library Network. REDOS, Rete Documentaria Senese. The advanced search uses the same search profiles of the simple search, so all resources, books and journals, electronic resources, journals, finding aids, institutional repository, and REDOS. User can search profile in any field or in specific field, such as title, author, creator, subject, ISBN or ISSN. The search terms can be entered as contains or contains the exact phrase, start with, equals exact phrase. The user can enter a new line of research and can match the two lines through the Boolean operators and, or, and. The advanced search allows also user to select type of material, books, article, maps, journals, video, audio, archival materials, any language, and a date range, start date, end date. Going back to the simple search, there are new features that are called pre-filters, books, journals, databases, archives materials, drawing and prints, and manuscript. The pre-filtered books retrieve print and electronic books, journals retrieve print and electronic journals, databases search records in the university subscribed databases, archived materials retrieves library archival documents, drawings and prints retrieves those drawings and prints cataloged in One Search SBS, manuscripts retrieves manuscript material. If One Search SBS does not return any results, user can expand their research to SBART, that is the consortium of academic libraries in the Tuscany.